Yeah.
The number you have dialed has been changed.
Good morning, guys. So we're here. We got Portland for 1 day, and we should have left already. It's almost 5 o'clock. Put your hand, let me see. 1 day, and people can't figure out what them are wearing. And on 1 day we go find out. We go 1 day, what 2 places, and we can't figure out what I wear. My suitcase don't pack for mine. Like me, easy roops. But anyway, guys, good morning. Welcome to the vlog. Heading to Portland today. Like I told y'all, when I was leaving was gonna be my last time I'm gonna say my see you laters. And then you're not even being it today, yo. Listen. Okay. Keep the same energy. So what make I broke you up this, so guys, my at home now work. So what I did, I had to cut off the electric part. I'm gonna put it on a hot on a stove. You want me to call upon it? Oh, sorry. I'm vexed. I put this on the stove. So that you can flatten the top of my wig. Old style. This is how I used to straighten my hair back in the day. Whenever I wash my hair on Saturdays, plait it up. Sunday, I add comb there, put it on the stove, get one newspaper or something to wipe off the blacky, and that's how we ruined our hair and stuff. Are you alone? And I'm a 6 5. Can you give me the best one and treat me? You don't know your more. You know treat me. You know what you Hey guys, so got to Portland. Said bye to my mom Kim and everybody. But I didn't vlog it. I totally forgot that I was vlogging. Honestly, I feel like me did the pint, yes. So zoop. No, we're heading back down. We're gonna stop at a cookout and then we'll go back down. So it looks like we're not gonna reach home till late tonight. So I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Honestly, I don't feel the mood to vlog for the rest of the day. So see y'all tomorrow. Good morning, guys. Leaving for Jamaica. Well, leaving for Jamaica. Wish. No, I'm not start over, but man, are your vlog or my vlog, bro? Are your vlog or my vlog, bro? Good morning, guys. What else people say? Good morning, guys. What may I say? Oh, I'm packing up now. We leave from Jamaica. We'll go back home tomorrow. So I try. I'm not mistake. Come out of the vlog, man. I say late, but almost 12 o'clock, you know.
Good morning, guys. Later. If you make no mistake, tell me I come cut it.
But me can't cut it.
Doesn't matter.
Hey guys, so I'm packing up right now. I leave tomorrow. So right now we're just packing, so we don't have to do this later, because I would hate to be doing this later. I always leave it to the last minute. So anyway, that's not the case now. So we can just pack now in the morning and relax later and chilling. All these things. So yeah, that was the year though. I just wanted to start up the vlog. Yesterday was Samantha's birthday. I didn't vlog yesterday because I forgot my camera, and I was gonna vlog at night and I forgot it again. But it was really sweet and special. We had fun. The only thing is down here is the curfew. So like, you know, we'll be trying to go places to eat like 8, 9 o'clock. Everywhere closing. We went to the restaurant, they were shutting down, literally. Turn the music off, turn the TVs off, close the thing down. We still ain't get our food yet. Wednesday closing it down. So by the time we got our food, we just kind of got it to go. And we ate out a little bit, then got it to go and came home. And then some people drop asleep. I tell you, no. After we said tonight, we just go chill, we just go easy, reason, and all these things. But now I tell a lie. Brother gone. And then still could wake this morning. still couldn't wait this morning after then drop asleep early last night. But yeah, that was there though, guys. Me just make sure, because as I tell you now, when I come, I like get comfortable, so I pack out everything. So now it's time to pack up everything, which I don't really mind. It's better than going in your suitcase every single day. Wow, you pack though. I want to say I pack, but you get away from me. You have views? You mute? Nothing, so we have stuff to do and me wake you up from money, you know, and wake up. See the situation, yeah? Me kind of pack already. I put my carry-on inside this because I'm not bringing back some of the stuff. So I pack out what I'm not bringing already. I'm going to go through this. Most of these things I'm not going to bring just because when I come back I have them to use. And I have those already up there, so I only need them. Got more clothes, trash, broom. I sweep out the closet empty. Oh, we should play tennis today, boo. You want to play tennis? Come here, I champion. We should have go against each other. We not get a ball. Only a ball. Alright, guys. Me and Lincoln about a little more. We don't really have anything planned today. I was really trying to go to Dirt Adventures, but that's not gonna be a thing. So we'll probably just go to the pool. We'll get food and chill. Anyway, guys, see y'all in a little bit. This place is now good lights, you know. Guys, guess who is here? She come back and look for you. And she not carry Lacey. Lacey, if you see this, I am mother not carry her. How I do you? Most somebody say something between them. Can't vex with people say. So guys, the chicks them both see. I got a pina colada. You know I'm gonna get pina colada you elevate and it's nice. Look a peanut in the beer, girl.
Respect the guy.
Thank you. Alright guys, so mine here. Them have that. I'm gonna taste that anyway. So I don't even feel too bad. Eh? No, baby. No. Yeah, oh! You think So guys, a lot of things since I checked. I don't remember my last vlog, but anyway. With that us, something went wrong with the tire, so we got the tire started out. For the car, then we go after that. We got KFC, then forgot we zinger. So we were getting, first the plan was to go to the pool. Still not reach out the pool yet. Then we came to get the KFC. We forgot that we can't eat at the pool. So then we said, alright, we'll go to the beach. Got KFC, go buy food. Then put the zinger them in the bag. They put one zinger, we ordered 3 zingers. So now we drive all the way. First of all, we passed the beach, reached back at the beach, left the beach, and now we're gone. We'll go back at KFC. Figure get the zinger. They kind of just but forgot what me that to say. Anyway, we'll go back for the zinger them now, so we come back and get the zinger them, basically. So guys, we finally reached the pool. Finally. Everybody a program food, you know, but me, I go in the water. So
you see a short.
no, but the pool they look stagnant. Guys, I'm going to a kiddies pool. I'm short, but I'm not that short. But anyway, everybody eat. We don't have food over the people in place, you know. And we are eat, we carry food I eat. We don't make them go snitch pan we, you know. And run way out for them can't come in. Alright. So are your place, boo? Oh.
Yeah, she is nice.
Wow.
Bossy.
Yeah, she is nice and you know.
You know who I am?
You know who I am. Talk too loud to me, I have no job to do.
Guys, I changed my wig because the last time the last time I got beach and the wig dropped off from my head. I don't know if I tell you no, but that gone. Now let me spectate. Alright, but never change the one that tighter, so I want to drop off in the water when it get wet and stuff. So guys, today is leaving day. I'm sad. I'm trying to hold everything in though. I'm trying to hold my composure. But we are leaving today. I did pack yesterday gladly. We just went and like clean up the car a little bit outside, want to wash. But I just want to make sure we don't leave anything, because if we leave anything we can't get it back. So I'm just trying to make sure everything is in order. Do the final sweep. Not final sweep because I didn't even shower yet to get dressed, but yo, I don't want to leave boo. But we gotta do what we gotta do, boo, because my work starts on Monday. So guys, I haven't checked in since this morning. We're at the airport. I already went dropped my suitcase off. It was overweight, so I had to pay $30, but it was still cheaper than bringing a carry-on. So now I just got a bag. But my day, I know Fabi say put on a song, and so I know we song I go play, you know. Turn the pair, boo. Let's hear it. Keisha said me I like all the stone and the break my heart. Guys, we're going in now.
We're going now?
We can't go in at 2:50.
Oh, what time are we playing at the car?
3:20.
Call my pilot.
Call a pilot, yeah.
Hey, cuz, that one already. We're going to go late and just drop your handbrake. Yeah.
Alright guys, I'll check out I don't know when, but I would definitely check in. I don't know, I feel like I don't know why I'm gonna feel it. I don't feel emotion like I think mudana brrr. Now me I said to me feel like from morning.
Can't wake up and can't come out of the room to go see class.
Emotional because we didn't know what ball is. I feel like we didn't make a ball.
Anywho guys, I'll check you out because bombard Kufut. Oh, you so comfortable. Alright guys. Hey guys, what is up? Excuse my morning face, I didn't even moisturize and stuff yet, but I just wanted to come and check in, y'all. So I'm finally home. I don't know if y'all recognize the background, but I'm finally home back in Philly. I came back yesterday morning, so I stopped off in Florida. We came up on Wednesday, stopped off in Florida Thursday, and I left Friday morning early. But it's good to be home. It feels good to be home, even though I still miss Jamaica and all, but we gotta do what we gotta do. I start work on Monday, so back to reality. But I just wanted to come and say thank you to everybody who supported the Jamaica vlogs. So I just want to say thank you so much to everybody who watched, commented, shared, liked everything with these Jamaica videos, and I love y'all so much, and I'll see you in the next Jamaica trip on the segment of Jamaica vlogs. But I don't know when that is. A lot of y'all gonna write me, oh day when you go back to Jamaica, when you going back. Ciao, I just got back, so I don't know. So I will definitely see y'all in the next Jamaica vlog. Bye guys.